Hey, yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Explizit, back with another banger. Now, I know everybody think they got the best Kool-Aid, but I got the greatest. Check this out. This is all you need to make the best Kool-Aid. So first thing first, what you gotta do is pick out which Kool-Aid you like to make. I'm feeling a little blue raspberries right now. We're gonna throw these to the side, and that's what we're gonna go with. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this package. Now remember, you gotta hold the package upside down. You gotta hold it upside down. I repeat. You flip it, flick 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 it. Remember, we're doing everything with one hand. You know what? Hold up. Alright, y'all. First thing first, what we gonna do is wash our hands. You don't ever want to make some Kool-Aid or anything without washing your hands first. Alright, y'all. Next, what we gonna do is we gonna open up the gallon jug and we go, rinse it out a little bit. And then we go set the jug to the side and we gonna turn on cold water. You gonna let it run 30 seconds if you ain't ready to put the water in there. But me, I like to let it run about a minute at least. But we'll let that do what it do. Put the ice to the side. And like I said, the flavor we chose is blue raspberry. And we're gonna have 2 packs, right? And what we're gonna do is hold it upside down. You can do 2 at a time. You're gonna flick it to get all the flavor at the bottom, all right? Then you're gonna start putting the water in. And as the water going in, you pour the pack of Kool-Aid in. All right, after you pour the pack of Kool-Aid in, you put a little water in, get all the flavor out. You get the second pack, you pour all the Kool-Aid in. After you get done pouring all the Kool-Aid in, put a little water in, get all that flavor out of it. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna let the water fill up, I say till about, right here. That way we have room, because once you put the sugar in, the water gonna rise. It's gonna be a full thing. This smells so good. I wish y'all could smell this right now. But right now we're gonna let the water fill to about, like I said, I'm used to eyeballing everything. It just always come out right. But I'm trying to teach y'all the right way to do it. Now, you're gonna get the Kool-Aid. And right now, all the flavors are already mixed into the water. So all you need is the sugar. All you need is a measuring cup. And I want you to put, let's say, 2.5 cups of sugar in it. All right, 2.5. Yes, 2.5. Like so. Hold up. Yeah, I say 2.5. Like I said, usually I eyeball it, because I ain't got time for no measuring cup. So, yeah, I ain't a little more. So I'm gonna do it exactly at 2.5. And I'm making it exactly like this. That way y'all can know exactly how it's supposed to taste. Yeah, it's a little over 2.5. Okay, y'all see that? It's like at 2, 3, 4. Yeah, almost at 3 cups. But yeah, that's how much sugar we put in there. Alright. Today. Then we gonna pour the sugar in. All at once. All at once. Get all of it in there. But that's the best part. Alright. We go start stirring. You stir it up to the right. Then you stop and you go the other way. And what you're doing is trying to get all the sugar to dissolve. You'll stop and go the other way. At this point, all the sugar is dissolved. There's nothing extra we really can do to it, other than taste it. You always gotta do a taste test with the spoon, alright? It's about luck. Unfortunately, my spoon got holes in it, but hey, we're gonna make it do what it do. That's on here. Don't need that anymore. You get the top, rinse that off. Then you put your lid on your Kool-Aid and just make sure you firmly press it down. You don't ever want the top to come off. If you do, your mama probably whoop you. Okay, so once the top is on, you flick it open and you pour it. Taste test. Hey, enjoy. Alright, y'all. I just showed y'all how to make the best Kool-Aid the right way. Be sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Till then, I'm out.